Here we will show different ways to draw a perfect circle. Find some circular objects in your home to create a perfect circle. You can also use a stencil to draw a perfect circle, but it has some limitations. Use a rubber band to tie together two pencils to make a compass and draw the circle. You can use your fingers to make a perfect circle. If you want a small circle, hold the pencil like this and smoothly turn the paper around. You can also use 3 fingers to make a bigger circle than the previous one.